Okay, here we are. I've pulled apart the front axle. I removed the 3 bolts here. 1, 2, 3. They came out pretty easy. I pulled the large nut off the end of the axle and then basically tapping on the hub a little bit and then using a chisel, it pretty much popped right out. So I'm in California, so I don't have to deal with the rust and corrosion that other people have to. We've got the ABS sensor here that'll have to go back on. I was going to replace the ball joints, but it feels very smooth. There's no movement or play at all. So now I've pulled off the diff cover and I'm getting ready to put the locker in. I think I've got enough room here to leave it in place. So this is a Dana 30 on a ZJ, and it feels like I can get to the pin on the other side with a, like a thin chisel or a punch. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see. There isn't much clearance though. The ring gear is pretty large compared to the opening in the carriage, so we'll see what happens. I'll give you an update soon, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to put the same axles back in. Everything seems to be in good shape, so I don't think I have to do any of the ball joints or the hubs. I actually bought new hubs as well, but the old hubs feel very smooth. There's no play or movement. They're very smooth, so I don't think I'm going to put them in, the new ones in right now. I'll wait.